AI is truly transformational in the manufacturing industry around optimizing operations, how employees work with driving tremendous amounts of efficiency, helping us to be able to do things at scale that we never thought humanly possible before.
AI is going to help improve supply chain efficiencies enormously. It's going to help make smart factories smarter. It's going to help make smart houses smarter, smart cars smarter, intelligent traffic systems smarter.
When businesses start to look at how do I use AI effectively, the more that we can show businesses that it can be done really quickly and it can be done really inexpensively, the more businesses are going to start to get on board.
Once it really is incorporated into the manufacturing sector in terms of the whole value chain, I think it's going to actually really elevate the standard of living in this country and around the world.